Yeah, welcome again to Blogging Issue. As you know, my name is Timothy Sunday. So today we're going to discuss on how you fit take start Adsterra Arbitrage. Shey e dey normal? Shey you fit do am? Shey e dey profitable to start Adsterra Arbitrage? So if you follow through to the end of this video, I will explain everything wey you need to know about Adsterra Arbitrage, how you fit start, and which country to target when you dey run ads to your blog to take get more traffic to get better earnings for Adsterra Arbitrage. So yeah, welcome again. If na the first time you dey come my channel, abeg make you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you go dey receive every update for my channel once I drop new video every time. So welcome again to Blogging Issue. So we dey talk about Adsterra Arbitrage. Adsterra Arbitrage. Many of us don dey familiar with the AdSense arbitrage form. So many people fit talk so many things, say okay, they don earn for AdSense arbitrage. They don get ways to take they get better traffic wey AdSense dey use. But for this video, we go talk on Adsterra. Adsterra. So many people don talk say they don try Adsterra Arbitrage and it no dey profitable for them. Well, e get one or two things maybe they feel they do wrong for their own blog, and that is why the thing no go work for them. Because e get some things wey you need to know. So if you no know those things, e go dey very hard for your ad to dey convert for your Adsterra. So you go also get some tips, like say they tell say make you no dey run make you no dey use other ad banners. Say na only direct ad link you go dey use for your blog so that you go fit dey get better earnings, or you go run direct ad to that your direct link for Adsterra, which na the section may dey for this side there, direct links. Some of them go run ads to that particular link so that they get earnings. And though it dey possible, but if you no do the right thing, your ad no go dey profitable. You go end up say at the end of everything, go run your arbitrage for your Adsterra and you no go earn profit, but instead you go dey for the losing part. And nobody go like to dey for the losing part, and that is why ad arbitrage dey very important. Adsterra Arbitrage dey very important if you wan get better earning for Adsterra. But one thing you need to understand is say when it comes to arbitrage, it means say e dey generate traffic to earn more money. Now wetin arbitrage just dey all about. So when you hear the form or the statement or the word arbitrage, it means say you go spend money to take get traffic to earn money for other ad network wey dey use. So whether na AdSense you dey use, Adsterra, MG, Xzoic, whatsoever ad at all, you fit run arbitrage with any ad platform at all. With any ad platform at all. So now wetin e mean? Arbitrage. Though arbitrage dey for other businesses, but this one we dey talk about arbitrage when it concern blogging, and na Adsterra we dey use dey discuss the whole issue. So if you look for my screen now, you go see say Adsterra dashboard. This one na my personal dashboard wey dey on for my screen. So make I refresh. I mean, no say no be picture or screenshot or Photoshop, as some people go dey think say na wetin dey for screen. So this is the direct site and dashboard for Adsterra, and like this the thing dey. And this na my personal dashboard under the statistics section. Thereby I go show you my statistics. So this na my personal statistic for, you can see the date here. That is 15th of this month of January 2023, as it is sound for here. And you can see my impression that day on the 15th was 3,000 with 103 clicks. And CTR, which is click-through rate, is 3.416%, with the CPM of 1.6. Then I earned $4.8 as a result of that day. And the next day I got a lower CPM, and you can see my CPM dropped. So how you fit take get better CPM? We will also touch a bit about all of those things. So before I go talk much, I want more do a contrast of how this particular ad arbitrage or Adsterra arbitrage fit also help your CPM. Before I start to dey run this Adsterra arbitrage, about that December, my CPM was, oh my god, it was a pitiful result now they get for this. So make I no just talk, make we do backdates. Make I backdate this to December. You see I'm saying for December. I want to show you from December 1st to December 30. Okay, 31st rather. I want make you see some of my CPM, and you go tell me say if I run arbitrage, I go fit get better conversion. Just imagine this is 31st. Okay, it start from the last to the top. Make I see if I fit convert am back. So that make the dates dey, make I see. Okay, I get this one no dey possible. No dey possible like this. Last 7 days. Make I see if I export this now, it might take a longer period. Let me export it quickly so that it will be much more easier. So it's going to be under the spreadsheet. So let me open this on spreadsheet so that we'll make some comparison and see if this thing will fit actually work. If let's say I run arbitrage at that particular time, because this period make this, you can see say this period make from December 3rd and from December 1st to December 31st. I no run any arbitrage for inside my Adsterra, and my CPM was super low. As in, my CPM was super low. If you even enter my dashboard those period, you say go dey even dey pity for me, go be like I want to make am, or I want even to get better earnings if you dey get this kind of CPM. Because CPM means cost per milli, which is cost per 1,000 impression make person dey get. And the funny thing be say I dey get better impressions, but my CPM dey very very low. As in, it was damn low. It was damn low. So since this January, when I start my arbitrage for this my Adsterra, the result was awesome. It was more than the way it was before. My CPM wey dey be 0. See now, see the screen. Just imagine on the 31st I dey get 0.002. 0.002 for CPM. I want to even get better earnings. Few days, I feel just get 1.10. See, this one at 1.2. 724 impressions. In short, throughout the month of January, I got 18,000 plus impression, 27 clicks, 0.148% on the CTR. Then the average of my CPM was 0.4, and look at, I got a total of $7 in the whole of this is it's quite funny though. $0.7 in the whole of 31 days. I got just $7. That is stinking low. As in, stinking low. It was more than low, and it's very painful. Now this is the whole of from December 31st to December 1st, and you can imagine, look at every single date. You can even count those days I got a reasonable CPM, which is on the 22. I got $1 CPM, which is 1. On the 19th, I got $1 CPM, which is 2. And then on the 14th, I got $3 CPM, which is okay. There was no much impression that day. Okay, so that is 3. And this is 4, which is on the 8th. 4. and that is it. In the whole of 31 days, only 4 times I was able to get a CPM that is above $1, or that is $1 and above. That is $1 and above. Just 4 days. Just 4 days. How is it possible for something like this to convert? But let me tell you this. One of the sweet things about starting Adsterra Arbitrage is for the purpose of getting higher CPM. On the 1st of January, I set up this my particular blog that I'm going to be showing you. So on the 1st of January, I started this new blog. So let me show you the CPM for the whole of January currently. Which is today's date is 19th, today's date, 19th of January. That is today's date. And you can see, let me take you to the bottom. So you can see I got an impression total of 59,520 impressions, and the whole of the clicks. You can see under the clicks section I have 1,216 clicks with 2.043%, average of 0.6 CPM, and then was able to earn 36.9, approximately $37 for the whole of 19 days. If you notice, for this particular duration, let's count some of those days that my CPM was reasonable, above $1. Let's use above $1. We have 1, which is on the 18th. We have 2, which is 15th. We have we have this on the 8th, which is 3. We have on the 7th, which is 4. Which other dates? We have this, which is 5, and this is 6, 7, 8. Okay, you see now. For the whole of 19th day, this is the 19th day. Though I have stopped running my ads already, because I'm going to show you through my ad account. I'll show you through my ad account. I was able to run ad for, you can see this is just few of the ads I run. I ran different kind of ads for different purpose though. Some were direct ad that we convert to get for the purpose of traffic itself. So I'm going to touch down to all of it in my next video. I'm going to show you how I was able to set up those ads to run the Adsterra Arbitrage. I was able to set up those ads. I'm going to show you in a practical way, so you are going to follow suit. So this is where we are going to draw the curtain. This is the episode 1 of this discussion. This is the episode 1. You get the episode 2 soon. So I'm going to tag it as episode 1. So you have to follow suit accordingly to be able to get the whole gist on how to set up Adsterra Arbitrage for your blog and earn profits and actually earn. So thank you. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please smash the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel so you will get all the latest and the hottest information about blogging and how you feel actually earn from blogging this 2023.